All right, welcome back. Today is Friday, July 31st, end of month. Time is 9:27. Going into today, bias is going to be bullish. Previous day, we closed above this down close candle that swept out this short-term low, and then we closed above the opening price. So we are currently bullish. If we were bullish, we did sweep out this short-term high on the overnight trading session, but I do think that we can continue to make another move higher to target these short-term highs. Over on the 1 hour time frame, we did trade higher in overnight, and then now we did make a short-term low, sweeping out some of the sell side. So sell side liquidity is taken out. I'm gonna be looking to see if we close above this opening price on this candle. All right. On the 5-minute, same situation, right? We swept out sell side here, and then we have this change in market structure right here, right? Indicating that we are now bullish on the trend. I'll be looking to see if we make a move lower at 9:30 open to target the highs we have here, right? We have an equal high here. And then we have some sell side over here, buy side over here as well. So be looking to see if we make a move lower. We do have 10 a.m. news driver event. So I'm not really going to be too aggressive going into the 9:30 open. If I were to take a trade, I would likely be out of it before the 10 o'clock open. Welcome back. Taking a long entry here, going into New York lunch session. Early in the morning, we did sell off, taking out some of the liquidity in London and Asia session. We did trade back into here, into this 1 hour imbalance, as well as this 1 hour inversion. Traded here, rallied off of this inversion, and then now be coming back down to retest it. We did have a short-term low swept prior to trading into the imbalance within that 1 hour. And then we expanded higher, right? So we closed above these series of up-close candles. This one took out this low. So that is my change in state delivery, or how I like to read it. So I'm looking for price to rally higher off of here to target the AM session highs. I took an entry off of here, which is the inversion on the 5-minute. This was created going into the sell side liquidity. We traded through it, and now we're retesting it. I'm gonna be using this as a discount to send price higher. Only one contract, and yeah. Choosing to close the trade early here. Reason being, going into that lunch session, not really interested in holding the price or holding my position through the lunch, which could potentially be choppy or have a deep retracement. Rather just locking profits up here at a decent risk reward, about 1.0, give or take, and then just go into the weekend, right? No need to hold a position, have it take me out, especially going into end of the week. All right, and that's pretty much it. Thanks, everyone.